Construction starts on December 9th, and here are some things you need to know.
The front entrance to the school will be closed.
So parents will need to use this door. Because the main entrance is closed, students will need to use this entrance. Students will need to use this door when they get dropped off. If you ride the bus, this is how you will go to your class. And students who need to ride the bus are going to go this way. The students who are parent pickup need to go out the 4th grade doors or the kindergarten doors.